For this exercise, we'll be working with the customer's collection from the previous exercise. Let's take a look at the document we created before. The customer's last name was Gray, so we'll find it using the last property. Type the following into the query form at the top of the Collections tab. This expression defines a simple search condition that retrieves any documents in the collection whose last field value is Gray. In this case, only one document contains this value, the one we added in the previous exercise. Click the Run Query button. The query should return the record. In the Result tab, select the document returned by your query and then click the View Document button in the toolbar. This launches the Document JSON viewer, which displays the document's JSON code. You can display the code in different JSON formats via the drop-down menu in the bottom left. Click Close to return to the Result tab. Select JSON View from the drop-down menu to see the returned documents in JSON View. Now let's go back to Table View and then double-click the Interests field to display the values in that array. This gives you another way to read the data. You can return to the record's top level by clicking Customers in the breadcrumb, which is just below the toolbar. From there, you can also drill down into the Address field to view its embedded fields. If we change our view to Tree View and then expand the fields, we have yet another way to read our data. The Tree View is handy for displaying individual records because it provides a quick overview of the field hierarchy, along with an easy-to-understand list of fields, values, and data types. Leave the record in place for the next exercise with the fields expanded in Tree View.